There's oil change kits, there's liquid moly oil change kits, and then there's MolyGen oil change kits. Hey YouTube, Jay Van Gordon here, and this is another really quick product review. So you own a Mark 7, you're eventually going to need to change your oil. Volkswagen recommends that you change it every 10,000 miles, which I don't really agree with. I recommend you do it every 5, and here's why. So your engine relies on good, adequate oil pressure to control many of the components within the engine. That's why your engine needs a good quality oil to combat against sludge deposits forming in your engine. That's why we combine this kit with Liquid Moly's MolyGen oil. MolyGen oil uses MFC technology, which stands for Molecular Friction Control. MolyGen uses 2 key components, tungsten and molybdenum. The result is 15% less friction and 30% less wear. Another key aspect is MolyGen includes a ultraviolet dye. It's green in color, and this could be used when trying to diagnose an oil leak within your engine. So now not only can you physically see it, but if you have any type of oozing, you could literally use an ultraviolet flashlight, scan it all around your engine, and you can start to see where oil start to leak out. This kit includes everything else you're going to need, including an oil filter, your drain plug, and even a UV flashlight to detect those oil leaks. All right, this has been another really quick product review. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, make sure to comment in the box below. Thank you.